Babe, my landlord is at it again. Oh. He has increased the rent again. I'm tired of bed.
Oh, that's crazy. Wait, you remember Tunde, right?
Yeah.
He just bought land in Ogun State.
Are you serious? That same Tunde that used to borrow your power bank
I'm
died.
telling you, he stopped complaining and started investing small. No, it's just action. Straight up. Yeah.
So everybody's buying land now quietly. And I'm here thinking that it's not yet the right time.
Keep waiting for the right time. Land no dey wait for person. Your friends are buying land quietly. Do something different this year.